Dive into the rhythm of life. Let it course through your veins, calling for action. Enough of idle waiting. It's time to act. Challenge the status quo. Break free from the chains of dormancy. Embrace the thrill of being alive. Seek answers in the bustling streets, in the seeds sown with hope, in the grains of sand, in the melodious film songs, in the potholes of roads, in the rhythm of conversation. Fill your day with zest. Repeat it 10, 20 times. Don't lag behind no matter how much you're pulled back. The essence is not in winning or losing, but in the stubbornness to persist, like a stone continually being ground down. Find joy in the battling kites, in the bustling crowds, in the joyous play, in the swaying trains, in the sweetness of sugarcane. Seek, and you shall find the essence of life. Unleash your energy. Let your fire spread wildly. Celebrate such a festival that the spirit of life echoes in every vein. The essence is not in winning or losing, but in the stubbornness to persist, like a stone continually being ground down. It's time to act, to stir things up, to shake the world. It's time to make a difference.